how to enable Facebook dark mode. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So we are now on iOS. Let's open Facebook. As you can see, I'm gonna search for it in the app library, type face and click on Facebook. And now, as you can see, here is Facebook. What I'm gonna do now is I need to go to the settings. So I'm gonna click on menu from the bottom right here, and now I'm gonna go to the settings either from the upper right here, and here's settings and privacy, or I'm gonna scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then click on the settings icon that will appear for me. Now under settings and privacy, you're gonna find many options. You're gonna find account preferences and audience and visibility and permissions, but what we need to do for now is preferences. Now as you can see, there is many options under preferences, newsfeed, reaction preferences, and notifications that you can change the settings for, but what we need for now is the dark mode settings, or the dark mode option from here. Click on it, and then as you can see, we have three options: either on or off, or according to the system. On makes it dark mode always, and off makes it light mode always, but system makes Facebook adjust its appearance according to your device's theme. So if your device is in light mode, it's gonna be in light mode. If your device is in dark mode, it's gonna be in dark mode. So let's make it on. Now as you can see, Facebook is in dark mode, and if we make it off, now Facebook is in light mode. And if we make it system, now as you can see, it's light mode, but if I changed my mode to dark mode from here, as you can see, now Facebook is changed. Once I make the device again to light mode, Facebook is now changed. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very simple and very easy. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.